This is the elevator at Lord & Taylor at the Bloomingdale store. No, Bridgewater Commons, Bridgewater, New Jersey.
Come on back here, Ollie, please.
So Westinghouse MPH from 1988. Trying to talk over the music. We're on UL. Here it is. Definitely a Westinghouse. L. Releveled. Here we go. It's the Hydro. So Westinghouse. Westinghouse RT. This is the second video I've done at Bridgewater Commons. Watch the lanterns light up if they work. This takes forever to level. Nice. Head up to UL. Nice elevator. RT Fixtures, hands-free EDA code compliant phone, control panel, 2,500 pounds, fire service, digital PI. Good gosh, this takes forever to level. Westinghouse door operator. That one really works. There it goes, and that's it.